I know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun is skin.
Morning, welcome to the vlog. So we're waiting in the car at Journey's speech therapy, but I have to use the bathroom. I drink too much water, and it's almost time for them to get out. There's lots of parking, which is weird. Normally it is like full, isn't it? Normally you would have to fight for parking spots, and there's just so many of them. What? You have a good time? Journey, wait. Do you have a good time?
Did you catch the coffee truck?
No, we didn't catch a coffee truck. Are we twins? Some lady just came up to us and said, "Y'all twins," because we're both wearing the same shirt. Okay, come on. I bought mine last year, though. Come on, get in. Looking for a pool. This big lot is supposed to have one in stock. We will see. No ants. Kinda. Look.
What pool do you get?
Huh?
$1.49. $14.99. He said
What
$1.49.
Oh.
pool does it get?
What do you think of this one, ladies?
Mommy, lands on this pool. Lands on this pool. Look. He touched
They have that.
This box looks better than the
Yeah.
other ones. But,
Dad.
I mean,
What's he what
you
now?
have to keep in the box.
Right. I don't. We'll have to ask somebody.
It
Ask
took.
them.
Mom, look
Look
right
at that.
there.
That's so cute. That's an astropod.
Mom, I want to get this.
We're getting a pool, baby.
I want a pool.
And
Look
I
at that.
would like to get
Coco.
mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup, lettuce, and tomato, and
You don't
pickle.
want. Hi guys. So it is like full brightness, 5:30ish. I edited a vlog this afternoon. It took, oh, I don't know, a while. I think I was done like around 4, a little after 4. And then I laid on the couch because I technically only have one order that needs to ship tomorrow. And I was like, I want to lay down. Oh, so sorry. And I passed out for like 45 minutes. So anyway, what did I come in here to do? Oh, my video. See on my vlog. Yeah, so it was the Mackinac Island vlog. Vlogs like that take a little bit longer just because there's so many clips. But I'm going to go start dinner. We're gonna have just the McCormick pork chops in the bag because that's what Sterling likes. And I'm gonna make mac and cheese, and we'll probably have green beans with it. And I think Sterling's friend Marley is coming over. I hope I don't regret that 45-minute nap. hopefully I can talk over Mr. Bean that's playing over there. He don't talk anyway, but Journey's watching him. But these are laying here and I just wanted to show you guys. So my Aunt Donna, actually, let me pause him. Okay, I paused it. Don't mind the hair either. So my Aunt Donna makes keychains. She does all the beadwork and she sells them for, I think it's $20 a piece. But she let me pick, me and Cora pick whatever one we wanted out. So I picked this one out. Look how pretty it is. And this right here is white-tailed deer. So it's actually, she had one left that had porcupine hair in it. But I really like the design on this one. So I picked this one. So you just attach your keys like right here. And then she's like, but if you keep it in your pocket, this will get all matted and stuff. But I'm like, I'm just gonna put it on my purse. I wanna get a new purse, but I could totally just like put it right there, but I want a new purse. And then these were here, so as I was cooking, I was like, I never did talk about those. My dad makes earrings, and he makes them out of different rocks and stuff. He's made some out of... Sterling, where's your earrings Grandpa made you? Let me see them. So he had them, and he was like, my husband's home, pick you out a pair. So I picked out the ones that are Petoskey stones, so they're shaped like arrowheads. And they're made out of Petoskey stones. And I think yours is made out of some kind of glass or something. I don't know. These are the ones that Sterling picked out. Why are you peeking behind me?
Where's my CD?
Ow! She stepped on my foot. Right there. It's raining out.
Yeah, it's right here.
So these are the ones she picked out. Little arrowheads. Here you go, Sterling. But they were just laying here. So. And then Aunt Autumn makes earrings and necklaces. And I don't know what Journey did. She made Journey a little unicorn necklace. If I find it, I'll show you guys. Macaroni.
Mama, I'm hearing rain.
My macaroni's just about done cooking, and then I'll add the cheese and stuff to it.
Stuff.
Yeah,
let's get them kicks.
let's throw away some stuff.
Well, no, we're gonna go to landfill, and I gotta.
Yeah, we got a lot of junk to get rid of.
I don't like.
We're gonna go pick some peaches. He's picking for somebody at work, and I want to get a few for another cobbler. I'll make cobbler for Sunday dinner, huh? Maybe. What should I make for Sunday dinner? Cobbler. Why they always gotta yell when someone's out here? What?
I really want one. hand.
A mosquito?
Yeah.
Ew. They'll bite you. I thought you meant a peach.
Yeah, the one.
Sir, why are you throwing peaches on the ground?
Birds is eating them.
Ah. Well, birds gotta eat too, I guess.
Well, the good Lord provides.
Buggy. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.